Okay, so this is the newly just completed gardens in Ferndale, California. It says a mind once opened by a new experience can never go back to its old dimensions. Oliver Wendell Holmes Jr. They did amazing. I've been watching this being constructed since 2021, and it's absolutely amazing. I absolutely love it. What a huge blessing. Ferndale, California is where this is located. And actually, Ferndale is the town or the city, it's more of a town, with the lowest crime rate in the whole state of California. Absolutely beautiful, precious, and amazing. It's an old Victorian town. Jim Carrey filmed the movie The Majestic here. And there was another movie, Living Roof, in lovely lavender that smells so amazing. Can you smell that? Oh, blessings. Here, have another whiff. Absolutely adorable and precious. Okay, so let's have a better view. I love the redwood sculptures and the little lamps and lights they have on the path. Looks like they're planting fruit trees, Japanese maple. There's a living roof on this building. It's an interesting architecture. I wouldn't call it Victorian, but I really, really like it. How cool is that? It's interesting. Look, it's like a snake that goes in a circle and a bird through the center with some stained glass. That's very interesting. I really, really appreciate the living roof. That's going to be amazing when it grows to its full potential, I'm sure. Looks like a bunch of fruit trees back here and some native trees. What do we call that? Palm grass. Oh, that is pretty burly. Burly Jurassic redwood for sure. Here's another beautiful redwood sculpture. I'm not sure if they're cranes or egrets because we have both native to this area. Definitely a cattail between that kundalini of majestic birds. That is a big solar panel. That's like solar system workings. Let's see. Oh, cool. Almost looked like sweetgrass there. I was like, I could braid it. All right. Somebody's all about their birds here. Oh, how lovely. And this is the back side of the fountain. I haven't figured out what this is constructed from, what materials. Oh, it's like bark. That is all like some kind of bark where they put moss on it or wet it down so the moss will grow and it'll be living walls. That's just beautiful. Flagstone here. Oh, lovely. So lovely. Oh, I love this part. Today's the first day coming here, but it's my third time walking through here. Oh my goodness. Well, looks like they need a little patch job there. Little patchwork. Simple fix. That's just really, really cool. So, oh. This moss in particular, that's native to here, and mostly northern and central Florida, I've noticed. This is a really, really good healer for colds and flus or congestions. It's what our ancestors would use. And this fern is native, and you'll see that all over the forest ground in the redwood forest, the Avenue of the Giants, where all our majestic ancient giant sequoias reside. Oh, I love it. What do you think? Do you love it? Oh, thank you. Thank you, Gaia. All these beautiful plants and trees. We're so grateful. What great balance this adds to our beautiful town of Ferndale. And I'm going to say it one more time. The lowest crime rate in the whole state of California. I do believe that I will make a part 2 of this and share with you the beautiful Victorian town that this is and all the old beautiful Victorian architecture. It's amazing. It's amazing. And I love that tree next door. That's at the bed and breakfast. She's pretty majestic. Pretty majestic. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed the tour today. It does. It totally feels like when you cross those iron gates, you've just entered a new dimension. Oh my goodness gracious, how beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Right, starting to sprinkle here, which I'm really grateful for the rains because it's dry season. We need all the rains we can get, even if they're gentle rains. I'm open to it. Time to do a rain dance. Y'all have a good one. Bless.